I teach a wide variety of subjects in the department, mostly creative writing, but also medieval literature, specifically Arthurian literature and also Cynghanedd. The department offers a wide variety of different courses, including Welsh on its own, professional Welsh, Celtic studies and also translation studies. If you have any interest in Welsh at all as a subject, the Welsh department here in Aberystwyth is an ideal place to study Welsh because you can study it from all sorts of different aspects. I myself was a student here in the Welsh department about 15 years ago. It was a brilliant place to study because of the wide variety of different subjects on offer, from Irish to Breton to modern Welsh to Middle Welsh to Old Welsh and everything in between. In the department you'll be taught mainly through lectures but also seminars and workshops as well. Well, as a former student here in Aberystwyth, I can vouch for the place as somewhere where you can feel welcome wherever you come from. Aberystwyth can feel sometimes as if it's far away from other places because it's hard to get to maybe, but at the same time it is in touch with the world. As well as Welsh and English in this part of Wales, you can hear also in Aberystwyth all sorts of other different languages as well, and it does feel like a very cosmopolitan and friendly place. If you want more information about the department, you can get any information you want online, or you can email me personally if you want, or you can get in touch on Twitter and Facebook.